Hello students, in previous video you have learned about point, line and angles and types of angles. On the basis of their measurement there were different types of angles like acute angle between 0 to 90 degree, obtuse angle above than 90 and low than 180 degree, reflex angle, complete angle and 0 degree angle, zero angle. Today we will discuss about parts of angles. There are different parts of angles we will discuss in this video. Adjacent angles. When angles have same vertex or common vertex, this is called vertex from where ray start or begin or originate. It is called a vertex point. When two angles have same vertex, that two angles we will call it adjacent angle. Suppose this is angle A, B and C, and this is angle CBD. In this condition, angle ABC and angle CBD is called adjacent angle because both angles have same vertex and same common side or there may be more than two angles also, adjacent angle. And next point is linear pair. When two adjacent angles make 180 degrees, suppose this is angle A, B, C and this is D. So we have two angles here. This is common vertex and this is common arm. So angle ABC plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degree. And now we can call these a linear pair. Third point, vertically opposite angles. When two lines or rays or line segment intersect each other at a point, then it make four angles. Suppose this is angle 1 and angle 2 and this is angle 3 and angle 4. Because they are opposite in direction, 3 and 4 also opposite in direction, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So we know that opposite angles are remain equal. Last 2 points, point number 4 and 5, supplementary angles and complementary angles. It is very important. Many questions also come. You must learn for supplementary angle 180 degree, and for complementary angles 90 degree. Supplementary angles, when two angles like 110 degree plus what angle it added in this to become 180 degree, it will be supplementary of 110. To find, we can write here 70 degree. 70 plus 180 will be 180. So supplementary angle of 110 degree is 70 degree, or supplementary angle of 70 degree is 110 degree. Complementary angles, when two angles make 90 degree, then it is called supplementary complementary angle. For example, here is 60 degree one angle and second angle is 30 degree. It will make 90 degree. So 30 and 60 both are complementary of each other. They are complementary angle of each other. If you have any doubt, you can contact or comment and ask it. And students, you are to note down in your notebook for preparation of next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.